kwiragwo mundu mugi ugi ucio niguo utonga wake no miario ya kirimu ugitwaragirira thina-ini. Umuthi turaririkana ki? Umuthi ni World Elder Abuse Day, muthenya uria tukoragwo tukiririkania gutia andu akuru aria me gatagati witu na ningi kukimateithia na njira o yothe tungihota. Maya ni mohoro gitau getwo Mumbi wa Wanyoike, mwathiriri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Nyambura wa Wamsha. Hari arutwo milioni 1,170,192 aria mekire kigeranio gia KCPE kia mwaka wa 2020 mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka uyu. Arutwo 36,254 megukorwo makiingira thukuru-ini cia gikiro kia national, na hari arutwo aya 17,402 ni airetu na imwana ni 18,848. Minister wa Githomo George Magoha augite mihango ya woyani wa arutwo aya iratafanirio na njira ya waragania hatari murutwo ugutigirirwo. Arutwo aya matanyitwo kuingira thukuru kwambiriria tariki 2 mweri wa kanana. Ihinda-ini riu Magoha augite ati arutwo othe a form 1 mafatie kuingira thukuru tariki 2 mweri wa kanana mwaka uyu.
Now the national school category, and let me just say that the girls are more than boys. So it is time now to start focusing on the boy child. We have got 585,942 girls compared to 585,323 boys. At this rate, I don't know what's going to happen next year. So we must start pitching the tent for the boy also. Since the girl is the receptacle, we will still have to ensure that we carry the girl to school, because some of them may have already been confused now, whether they are pregnant or not. We are taking them to school. In national schools, girls that are admitted there are 17,406, boys 18,848, total 36,254. SNE girls 536, boys 1,291. I would like to ask my handlers to find out whether could there be girls with SNE that we are not picking from the population. This difference is very big. Total 1,829. Extra county schools have taken girls 95,646, boys 105,431, total 201,077. County schools, girls 115,325, boys 98,266, total 213,591. Sub-county schools, girls 357,029, boys 361,487, total 718,516. Totals I've given you. In the placement, the majority of candidates who scored 400 marks and above were placed in the national schools or extra county schools of their choice. Special needs candidates were also placed in regular schools of their preference, while others were placed in special schools based on their disability categories on merit and choice. All in all, the Form 1 students will open school on the 2nd of August. And that's another reason why I called the stakeholders here today, so that it doesn't look like it is something I've made on my own. The 2nd of August is the date. If somebody has an issue before we break, you let us know.
Tugethie na mbere kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC nĩ hĩndĩ ĩrathiĩ na mbere na igongona harĩa kũrugũria mũtaratara ũrĩa ũkũhũthĩka harĩ kũharĩrĩria gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũkĩte. Mũcemanio ũyũ ũrehete anyiti itemi matiganĩte thĩinĩ wa ũteti wa Kenya, arĩ nĩ hamwe na ciama cia kĩũteti na rũhonge rwa ũcirithania. Reke rĩu tũthiĩ mwena ũcio ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe tũthikĩrĩrie amwe a atongoria ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ Wafula Chebukati nĩwe ũraria.
Issues of servers. In 2022, the Commission has already addressed those issues in the issues of servers. We shall work with the media and meetings lined up with the media fraternity so that election results are in the polling station. That is what it is. At every polling station after counting, those are the results. Issues of transmission should not be an issue that should affect elections in any way. And what the Commission wants is to partner with the media so that at every stage, Kenyans know what are those results. And those are the conversations we are having with the media going into the next election. We also have, the Commission will come up, already has come up with and this will be announced in due course, that we shall have multiple servers, not just one server, but several servers available, the media, the public, the candidates if possible, and political parties if possible. But a framework will be generated so that the information coming or being transmitted will be the same information in each of the servers. The ones who do IT can possibly explain that better. But the issue of having one server and that preserve information will not be there come 2022. And lastly, on that issue, we're working again in partnership with the Communication Authority of Kenya, whom we have held meetings and set up a joint technical committee. The Communication Authority, among other things, will undertake quality of service parameters for each and every polling station in the country so that we know which polling station can transmit results which has 3G network. Now, those which may not have, then alternative arrangements will be made. And Kenyans will know in advance which polling station is unable to transmit so that we don't get into a situation where there is suspicion and mistrust. So all those issues have been addressed, and just want to reiterate that the Commission is ready to work with any other stakeholder.
Ucio nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa IEBC agĩkĩarĩrĩria ũharĩrĩria wa gĩthurano kĩrĩa gĩũkĩte kĩa mwaka wa 2022. Bodi ya ũramati wa macani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ tabanĩtie mũcemanio na arũgamĩrĩri erũ ithĩ-inĩ cia macani kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga na Nyeri hamwe na arĩmi a macani. Muoroto wa mũcemanio ũyũ nĩ gũthikĩrĩria mathĩna marĩa marĩ na arĩmi a macani, kwarĩrĩria mĩtaratara ya kuongerera mbeca kũrĩ arĩmi. Mwandĩki witũ Wainaina akĩaria kuma kaunti ya Kirinyaga nĩ ũrarũmanĩrĩra na ndeto ĩno, tũnyitanĩre nake na njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe. Wainaina, angĩkorwo nĩ ũranyamũkĩra mwarono wako.
Thenge muno mubi wanyu ikena ngiria ku kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na kwa ihinda riri tukiambite hema mwena wa Thagana na ukima rucini tugigitindite tukiaria cicie uhoro wa macani kuria ruhonge rwa kana rukira mataga maundu megie macani T-board makiuma na mucemanio hamwe na director cia makiriga gugithuro kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga hi hamwe na arimi gugitabarira uria maundu magikoretwo mageikarite sector-ini no ya macani na ukenda ukinyitana na director umwe kuma kuri itingani ria Mununga kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga yaiko gitutariria hihi mucemanio gukimarehete hamwe ni wa gukereriria ki na hihi maundu maria magithiete na mbere na gukeria ginyagia kwa ihinda riri naco kwingwenda ugikwiriria ro ha ukebina mari ndukebina mari tama kwendu magikuyitagwo Nash Gari na ukenda hiyo gitutariria hihi mucemanio wa muthenya wa umuthi niki kimuragikorwo mugikiaririria.
Thank you. My name's Ogwo Mwigwe jitagwo Nash Gari, director kura Mununga zone 5 wa macani umuthe tuma na mucemanio ufacilitatwo ni T-Board wa andu metagwo Stabilization Fund Task Force ni megukite kuya views kwi ma directors na arimi anyinyi aria tuhotire guka na undu ta 300 from zone 4 na zone 5 tukiheana input cia wagiriru na uria Stabilization Fund igiteithagia murimi wa macani riria kwagia riua kana thogora wa gwa kana riria kwaga mbeca tariu kwagite mbeca twi mucemanio twagia backdrop ati kuri zone ciothe tiga zone 5 matiretwo mini bonus cross Stabilization Fund ni rari ho mbere andu acio mangire arihe ciana ni nyikate cukuru cie mucie and all those zones gutire mundu tatuite macani mwaka mugima na matieto mini bonus ciao riu ni turenda kumenya minister CS minister Munya through the presidency kai andu acio matangihota ku constitute office ira international office ya KTDA tondu ithine twathuranire body citu ciiridi ma take off office immediately mahote ku resolve the issue ya wagi wa mini bonus gukorwo rihitwo kuri arimi ciana icoke cukuru.
Hari ruhonge-ini ruru waikoro ikireria rwigie gukigira kuria KTDA kana national board aikoro either national cigwithie na mbere na gukirugamia na itigũkorwo igĩtabinio na njĩra na hinya na arĩa macagwĩtwo matigũkorwo magĩkĩoya mabici na hinya ũrĩa gũkĩagĩrĩire hihi kwĩna maũndũ marĩa magũkorwo magĩkĩrũgama.
Reke njuge gĩthurano gĩkĩ kĩratabarĩtwo kĩa mweri 18 na minister nĩ ahotire gũkĩrũgamia ira. We don't want until further notice aroigire ndaheanĩte mũthenya wakĩo no nĩ gĩkũrehe ũkunderu kwĩ ũtongoria toguo ndagweta andũ matirĩhĩtwo mini bonus na kwoguo bodi no njerũ tũrathurire itarĩ obici tũtirona kwagĩrĩire tondu akũria aitũ othe me expectant nĩ andũ metereire na mwĩhoko atĩ tũrathurirwo na maratũthurire tũke tũmahe ũtongoria nĩ mehokete atĩ korwo bodi no ĩingĩre obici ona ũmũthĩ mbeca ciao no cioneke kũrĩa irĩ na marĩhwo ũguo o ũrĩa ĩraikara ĩtatuĩkĩte constituent minister o ũrĩa araikara atetete mũcemanio wa national noguo arĩmi aitũ megũthiĩ na mbere na gũthumbũka.
Thengiũ mũno mũmbitũ gwake igwĩra ũciĩtagwo Nash Ngari nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri kana nĩ ũmwe wa arũgamĩrĩri a itinga rĩa Mũnunga kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga na ina gĩkorwo agĩtũtarĩria maũndũ marĩa mangĩkĩenda thirikari gũkĩgerera CS Munya ĩrĩkorwo ĩgĩtacũkia na hinya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ bodi ĩno njerũ kana ithũnũ iria magĩkorwo magĩtabania hihi magĩkorwo magĩkĩingĩra mabici gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nginya arĩmi nĩ magĩkorwo magĩkĩamũkĩra marĩhi mao ma mini bonus na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ sector ĩno ya macani nĩ ĩgũgĩkorwo ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere na njĩra njega kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga. Reke ngũcokerie moro mwena waku wa studio Mũmbi wa Nyoike.
Gatho Wainaina wa Kiarie nĩ gũtũrehera riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ arĩmi a macani mwena ũcio wa Kirinyaga. Gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu James Nyoro nĩ amenereirie mĩario ya mũtongoria wa arĩa aingĩ bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri Amos Kĩmunya kuga atĩ nĩ gũgũkorwo na mũthutũkanio harĩ ũgai wa kĩgĩna kũrĩ gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kiamba angĩkorwo mũingĩ gũkũ ndũgathura Kareri Njama ũrĩa nĩwe ũrarirũkia tigiti wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee. Nyoro augĩte atĩ ũyũ nĩ mũrũgamo wa Kĩmunya arĩ mũndũ kĩũmbe ĩndĩ ti mũrũgamo wa thirikari. Ihinda-inĩ rĩu Nyoro nĩorĩtie atongoria arĩa mareka kambeini cia Kiamba magakorwo na mwario ũmwe nĩguo gũtikanagie na mũgayũkano.
I would want to reiterate a statement that was made yesterday, which is very unfortunate, that unless people go a particular direction, that the money will be taken away from them. That is personal view. That is not government policy. If it was government policy, His Excellency the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta should not have been in Kisumu for a week, because we know how the voting pattern went for the president. So watu ya Kiamba, I know they will make a decision and give us the Jubilee candidate. We went there yesterday. We can see the mood, but they are not going to be subjected to threats. Hakuna mtu atatoa pesa kwa Kiamba. If anything, tutaweka pesa huko. Hata sasa sisi kama county tuna mpango wa kuweka maji, wa kuweka barabara. We have a plan. So nobody should feel threatened. I think it was unfortunate. I just want to appeal to our party. As they are organizing the campaign for both Kiamba and Muguga, we better be coordinated, because we are having different command centers. We saw it yesterday. Somebody decides who is going to talk and who is not going to talk. We want to have one command center, and you cannot exclude governor from that command center. I want to be very categorical and say that the things we have started seeing are not things that we can encourage. Otherwise, we are very happy Yesterday I spent the morning in Muguga. Watu ya Muguga wameamua watapea candidate ya Jubilee. Watu ya Kiambaa wameamua itakuwa Kareri Jama. All we need to do is to do organized and diplomatic campaigns.
Uliza watu wa Kiambu na watu wa Central. Nyanyi mnakubali mtu atoke nje ya hapa kwenu, hakuja hapa kwenyu mmekalia kiti awagawanye. Inaitwa divide and rule ambayo ilitumika na wakoloni. Nyinyi mko hapa mmekalia kiti na mnataka kisambaratike mbele yenu mwaibike kwa sababu ya mtu wa nje, si wa hapa ndani. Vita nyingi inaanzia hapa katikati yetu. Mimi ni mmoja wenu. Na nyinyi hamtaki 2022 hii kiti iende mbali. Mnataka mahali mnaweza gonga mlango ikafunguliwa kwa karibu. Unataka ukiwika mtu ana kanatigwa. Ogodo utaki mtu unaongea alafu ajue unaongea nini? Tigo. Mnaniambia mkiongea mimi naelewa. Na ndio mimi nikaamua kwamba mahali Kenya imefikia hivi sasa, we need change. We need a new face for this country. We need the young people to take over. Na kuambia wengine, nyinyi mmekuwapo, mmefanya kazi yenu, wacha sisi tuendelee na kazi.
Oguo niguo uteti urathie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Onjoria matanyiheire 600 ni matanyitwo kugunika na mwako wa thoko uria kuhuthira kigina kia muigana wa shiringi milioni 342. Reke riu tunyitanire na mwandiki witũ Wambui wa Mwangi uria uraraniria na ene kandarathi mwako-ini uyu atumenyithie maingi megie tabarire no. Wambui wa Mwangi, angikorwo ni uranyamukira kuri we? Wambui
kira imwe kwa imwe kuma ndonyo-ini kana thoko nene ya Kangari iria irakwo ni thirikari ya Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, na ni thoko igukorwo ikiguna onjoria makiria ya 600. Thoko iyo urona thutha wakwa ni mwako ucio urona ugithie na mbere, na mwako uyu waheanirwo thutha wa onjoria aguku Kangari gukorwo magigicaya na makauga matiganagira ndonyo-ini ino, na kwa uguo thirikari ikimakuatha. Ndenda tunyitanire na site manager, karibu sana engineer, ututaririe horo wa tabarire ino na njira nguhi. Karibu niwe ngwambiriria nawe na njira nguhi muno ututaririe uhoro wigie mwako wambitie na ritwa riaku na ukuguna andu igana. Twacunga muhera ni gukorwo tukirenga uhoro ucio, ni gukorwo twina gathina ka mitambo, no ni tugugicokereria ihinda ritari coho tugithie na mbere ona thengia wa thirikari kwirutira gutigirira icigo ciothe cia ubunge ire na thukuru cia kothi cia moko kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua nirikitie kwandikithia namba nini ya arutwo thukuru-ini ucio. Na niguo kwambatiria namba ya arutwo mathukuru-ini maya, munini wa county commissioner wa Nyandarua ya Rugongo Walter Ngaira augete ni maruguritie mutaratara wa guthomithia muingi bata wa mathomo ma kothi cia moko kuria marathie micini ya andu makihoka muingi ni ukumuhimbiria mathomo macio. Arutwo thukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Ndaragwa ni mathingireirie mathomo maya makiuga uyu ni undu ukumateithia muturire-ini na mieke ya mawira hatari gweterera kwandikwo mawira, kuona mathomo maria magunikite namo no mateithiririe kwiyandika.
Early this year we had a lot of our students doing the exams, the KCSE exams, and not everybody had the opportunity to join the university. So we have a lot of students in villages, in our locations. So our tour today is just to assess the capacity of these institutions with a view of going back and encouraging as many students to join as possible. Through the national government administrative officers, those are the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, we have put in place measures to go to the field and sensitize the community and ensure that as many of the students get enrolled in these particular colleges.
The difference between me with the person who has not done any course outside there, it is one. When we are categorized by the government of Kenya, or when the government of Kenya is bringing out work, the first thing that the government of Kenya is going to do to me is going to give me, and the other one is going to be left behind. They are not going to be given any priority. So it is better you have a small skill which is going to help you in life.
You scored a better grade. Hata kama huku score vizuri kutoka kwenye ulitoka high school, it's good uwe na course yako penye huko. Juu ukiwa na course yako, wenyewe unaweza saidika sana. These days, yani the society ina concentrate na mtu mwenye ako na course, na ukiwa na course yako, pia nini society inasaidika juu anasema kwa mtu wako kuna mtu amesoma. So unaweza ku-encourage wewe mwenye uko hapo, do apply. Hata kama uko around, huku uripishwi atuambi una board. Huku ni tu unakuja, ukitaka kuboard, una board just around, unatafuta nyumba. Halafu pia fees yako serikali inakusaidia, you can apply for help. Lakini pia unaweza jilipia fees.
Tukiuma Ndaragwa tucoke guku muciini munene wa Nairobi kuria aikari a Mihango kaunti-ini ino ya Nairobi moritie mwene kandarathi uria uhetwo kandarathi ya guthondeka daraca ya kunyitithania itura ria Kayole na Embakasi gutiriha waki uyu amu woete ihinda ria miaka 10 makiuga yareka ni kuhingura mieke mingi ya biacara kuria aikari ya maugite waki wa daraca ino wambiriirie riria Kidero ari governor wa Nairobi riu makiuga irorete gukinyia miaka 10 waki uyu utari wareka. Oho ni maugite ni manogete ni kwirirwo ciraniro itahingaga ni atongoria aria makoretwo makimerera ni megutigirira waki uyu ni wareka kuona ekinae matuite daraca ino kimamo gia gutafania ngero cia wikinae.
Utanipata kweli huo.
Lakini kuna masaa ikifika saa moja manze, ukipatikana hapo unajua utakuwa ka suspect. Na ukipatikana hapa hiyo ni story nyingine. Unaona? Wameshika watu hapa. Jana watu wameshikwa hapa. Hauna makosa, wewe unangoja customer. Imekuja imeundo, ukiangalia hii bridge yenyewe iko na macrack. Hii bridge na imesaga hapo katikati. Wangefaa hata kusimamisha kipila hivi. Ingekuwa kitu muhimu sana, lakini hii bridge imesaga. Malori ziwezi pita hapa. Sisi wananchi tunaumia.
Sisi tungeomba hata serikali ijaribu kutuangalia. Juu hata kupandisha customer hapa ni shida sana. Kuna wamama hata unabeba mwingine ni mjamzito lakini wanalalamika sana. Juu hata uwezi enda na speed kubwa.
Amuke hata kuna wakati nilimpigia simu tuseme kama raia tumeumia. Tufanye maandamano kwa sababu ni haki yetu. Ya pili, pesa ya waraia hakuna mtu ana force ama anasukuma. Hakuna mtu anafanya nini? Anasukuma. Watu wamelala.
Omba Kados na Guyo washikane hii bridge iishe. Acha maneno mingi kutoka Mihango hadi Kayole tuwe barabara ikuwe rahisi.
Tugithie na mbere muthenya umwe tu thutha wa kamiti ya IEBC kuga no nginya mundu akorwo na degree niguo etikirio kurugama gituro-ini gia kiuteti. Governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua nyanyitete mbaru riendekithia riu akiuga atongoria mabatie gukorwo na githomo niguo makahota guthondeka watho na njira iria yagirire.
The reason there is a requirement for a degree is because you are interpreting law. Being a legislator requires you to interpret law. And to interpret law, you need to have a basic understanding of English, of legal terms, of world view. You need to be able to read the American Constitution and others to interpret law, and that requires a minimum standard. For you to be a doctor, to be able to go and interpret medical books and operate on somebody, you need to have basic education for you to be able to operate on somebody or to treat somebody. For you to be a school teacher, huwezi sema huyu ni leader, hajaisoma, amekuwa huko kuja kufundisha secondary school. Hapana, watakwambia you need a minimum set of education ndio ukuwe mwalimu wa secondary, kwa sababu you have to understand. For you to be an engineer, ndio uweze kujenga nyumba, you need a certain set of education that understands the equilibrium of a house, the designs and everything to be an engineer. The same way, to be a legislator, you need a basic education level to understand the legal premises that you are supposed to be doing. Because the work of the legislature is to ensure we have good laws in our country, to support the executive and to hand in hand with the judiciary.
waku hau niho twatirihira mohoro maito tugucemania ringi ciarikia kuihanda thaa 1 cia hwaini nguririkanie ndukarume mundu